Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze forecast next week goal forecast for your goal trading. So accurate goal signals analysis. My Telegram link is below. You can join with and make earn profit from the goal trading. So I'm in a forward chart goal. So this is the technically picture. You can see this level is we call maximum fan level. This is the 2665 level. Price several times tested these levels, and last Friday also price rejected from this level. 2665 level is the price also last Friday rejected from this level. So still not break out to this level. Below this levels of prices, I am thinking bearish, but going to the downside move. And this is has the price action pattern. This is the higher high, then the price made lower low also. This is the lower low, higher high, lower low. That is the QM cell level. This is the famous pattern Cosimoto. This is the point QM cell level in 2665 level. So this is the QM cell level point, and if continues to downside, that is the down movement. 2580 is the target. That's the first scenario with the pattern technically set up. It break out this pattern level 2665. That's the retails. That is the buying price going to the upside. That is your buy trade. That is the given buy opportunity is there. That's the two scenarios can be happen with the technically picture. So I am telling this technically picture. This is the downtime target, and the 2065 665 level breakout. If the price will continue to the upside, 2720 is the strong resistance level. So this point is the important with the technically. And what is the economic data? If you are trading gold, next week is the labor market data, so important. Non-farm employment change data is the next week Friday. 227k Fed American Central Bank forecast to drop to the 154k, and the unemployment rate 4.2%, and the forecast figure is the also 4.2%, and the average hourly earnings also drop expect to 0.4% to 0.3%. With the labor market data not positive, that will help to gold push to the upside. It's the positive labor market data, that's the dollar demand, and gold can be dropped to the downside. This is the Fed Watch Tool website 89 for forecast to the sorry rate post in the January FOMC meeting. So post the rate in this year, that can be dollar demand and gold drop to the downside. So you should touch with the rate cut forecast also if you are trading gold. So rate cut is the more important to gold demand or gold sell off. So I'm going to the 1 hour chart, a clear technical picture for you. I am going to the line chart for again. This is the line chart 1 hour. You can see it's that the swing high, swing low. That is the this movement is important. I'm using Fibonacci to swing high to swing low. This is the Fibonacci tool. You can see the 0.618 level. It's the Fibonacci golden zone. Price is in 2639 now. This is the Fibonacci golden zone is the price now. This is the zone 0.618. That's the Fibonacci zone. Price is in this zone now. So can we push to the upside with this zone important to this price action? Try to read price action and candlestick action before get the trade. And also left side resistance also there, that can be support in here. So two options, 0.618 Fibonacci level, and the left side resistance can be support. So if price continue to the upside, so target is the resistance level 2700, 2665 is the first target. If breakout that zone, that's the 2700 is the next target. So you should wait for the this so on price act. If not continue to the upside, price break to the downside, that the target is the 0.5 level, 2610 level is the target, and next target is the 2600 level. So two scenarios can be happen. Price is in important zone, important level is the 0.618 golden zone, price is in. So that is the two scenarios can be happen. So wait for the market behavior, price action, candlestick action, and what is the Federal Reserve American Central Banks in with the economic data next week, labor market data, what is the actual labor market data. If you get the trade, before get the trade, that's the economic data, follow the economic data. See next week labor market data is the important for next week. So this is the 1 hour chart, goal line chart, that's the technically I am seeing, that's the just technically shows. I am telling you, please don't misunderstand. So I am telling you my own analysis. You can help this analysis you before you get the trade with combined with the fundamental setup. So that is the technically saying like that. So I am going to the daily chart. This is the daily candle. You can see the last Friday is the bearish candle. The red candles, the gold dropped to the below side. That helped to ISM manufacturing PMI's last Friday's increase. That's the positive figure that you can see. That's the Friday bearish candle. That's the reason is the ISM manufacturing PMI 48.3 to increase to 49.3, 49.2. You can see that's the positive labor market data with the ISM manufacturing PMI. So that helps to dollar demand, and gold drop to the last Friday. This is the red candle. You can see the last Friday is also in the red candle. So economic data, market always drive with the economic data. You should follow the economic data and combine with the technical, get the trade. So not continue to the upside, that's the below side target is the 2,580 is the neck level, support level. So remember the gold is the safe haven asset if you are trading gold. So my telegram link is group is below. You can join with always daily updates on the gold trading, gold analysis, and get the accurate gold trade to make good profit. So thank you very much.